think the event was a really great celebration of the CODEC project.
CODEC, so that stands for Cognitive Urban Design Computing. The idea was to improve urban planning by means of artificial intelligence, by new tools for citizen design science, and to predict how urban systems work.
I'm really confident that what we build here is, again, it's a community, so we really nurture that community.
This event was really nice to see what kind of different results he produced.
That was the most beautiful thing, to see how the skills were spilling off.